Hello, it's Nimai here from Plugin-O-Mat, and today we're going to be checking out the Red Sounds bundle for Kontakt. These libraries are inspired by a bunch of producers such as Diplo, Jack U, Martin Garrix, and this is packed full of lo-fi choirs, vocal chops, vocal leads, processed vocals, fat 808s, and you can even import your own sounds. So this includes 4 products in this bundle. You've got Vox Engine, Vox Engine 2, Vox Engine 3, and this is Fat 808 Engine. Now here's a nice preset from Vox Engine. Now we could combine that with the 808. And now a Vox 2 patch. And now we'll chuck in some hi-hats and sniff. As you can see, all of these Kontakt libraries have parameters that you can modulate, including filter cutoff, reverb, vibrato mix, ADSR envelope, glide, chorus. You have tons of effects to really shape these to make them fit nicely into your music production. Let's check out some of these Vox 3 presets. This pack includes 423 vocals and a bunch of different 808 patches. And now for something a bit melodic and poppy. The Red Sounds bundle is an incredible tool for modern vocal chop melodies and a massive time saver just to get some great sounding vocal chops straight out of the box. And of course, having the 808 engine is a really nice thing to have. You can enjoy the Red Sounds bundle now by heading over to the Plugin-O-Mat website and getting yours now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.